Might have got a Farmall 140 that ran into this problem. Two problems. One, it's got a female plug in it. Why, I have no idea. The Super A, I don't know about a 100, 130, but a Super A does not have female plug. It's got a regular square head pipe plug. Second problem is right behind the brake rod. And it's a pain. I know in the Super A, when you pull that plug out, I had a bunch of the oil would run out of it on the ground before I get the plug back in it because it's so tight under this brake rod. It's right behind the brake rod. Right here, right behind it. I mean, you can hold the brake and get it close. That's a little neat look. One option, you can take a 3 in its oddball size on a 140. It's smaller than a 3/8 drive, but bigger than a 1/4. I think it's like a 5/16. I was gonna grind one of these down, 3/8 drive extension, and make me a little tool to take it out. I said, you know what? That's just too complicated. We're not doing all that. We're not fighting that brake rod every time. Simple solution. From that top of that full plug to about the top of this transmission cover is about 10 inches. Easy solution. You gotta have one of these little small rulers though, so they fit in there. And you just drop that ruler down to 11 inches. And when you get an inch of oil at 11 inches, you're full. I got an inch of oil, roughly at 11 inches. Get the light on. About an inch of oil at 11 inches. And that's all you gotta do. That's simple. But you gotta have one of these little small narrow rulers to fit down in the transmission. Got 2444 transmission oil. You don't even have a plug for it because that's got a loader on it, and the hydraulic oil is in it's the fuel tank for the front mounted pump on the nose up there, not the engine mounted pump, the very front one. And that's how you measure that one. That one's like a 6 inches. You fill it up. You drop the ruler up till you hit oil at 6 inches from the top. I think what the manual says. But anyhow, either way, it's 10 inches from the top of this plug to the top of the transmission. So you drop the ruler down to 10 inches. Once you get an inch on the ruler, you're full. And you can do all the rest of them like that. It's got the plug behind it. I know the Super A is the same way. I'm not sure about a Cub, but I'm sure a 100 and a 130 is the same exact way too. You're going to have that problem with the plug behind the brake rod. But on the 140, it's two problems. It's got this oddball plug in it. You ain't got to fight with that plug. The stick ruler in the top of the transmission, 11 inches, an inch at 11 inches on the stick. That's pretty close being full. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Another Farmall tip.